Chinese company Winsung says it can build a house using 3D printer technology. The technology behind the 3D printers that can print anything from parts for your car to parts for your body is pretty much the same as that that's used in your everyday inkjet printer. Winsung has now taken that technology to a new level. Its new massive 22-foot tall, 30-foot wide, and 490-foot long printer can print out an amazing 10 homes in a day. The 3D house printer has been in development for nearly 12 years using off-the-shelf technology from similar large-scale printers bought from overseas suppliers. The ink that it uses is a combination of special cement and glass fiber. The company even says to help keep it green, it can use scrap material left over from construction and mining sites. The walls and other components for homes are printed in the Suzhou facility just outside Shanghai and then later shipped to the factory in Shanghai for assembly. The development cost of the huge 3D printer is only $3.2 million US, and that translates directly into savings for the future homeowner. A 2,100 square foot house can be printed for around $5,000 US. It will take some time before building codes are implemented that allow for the printing of homes on a large scale. For now, the technology is new, and as with any new technology, it will take some time before it matures. Winsung says the scalability of manufacturing using this technology is limitless. If you can build a home, you can build a building. And who knows, maybe even bridges and skyscrapers. The first uses for this technology could be to build homes in areas that otherwise could not afford them or need to be rebuilt quickly. Imagine